Have you ever wondered what keeps your home feeling just right, comfortable in every season, without you having to constantly think about it? It is often the unsung hero, your HVAC system, working diligently behind the scenes. Ensuring its smooth operation is key to both your comfort and your budget. The key HVAC system maintenance steps involve regular inspections, diligent filter replacements, and professional tune-ups to ensure optimal performance, energy efficiency, and longevity. These actions prevent minor issues from becoming costly repairs, keeping your home environment consistent and your energy bills predictable. The core reason these steps are so important lies in the complex interplay of components within your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Just like a car, your HVAC has moving parts that can wear down, accumulate dust, and lose efficiency over time. Regular maintenance addresses these issues proactively, ensuring that each part functions harmoniously. This meticulous care means your system does not have to work harder than necessary, which directly translates to lower energy consumption and a longer lifespan for your equipment. To put this into practice, you can start by changing your air filters every 1 to 3 months. This is perhaps the easiest and most impactful step you can take. Next, keep the outdoor unit, known as the condenser, clear of debris like leaves and grass clippings, allowing it to breathe properly. Inside, ensure all vents and returns are unobstructed to promote good airflow throughout your home. Beyond these simple homeowner tasks, schedule a professional technician for an annual inspection and tune-up, ideally once in the spring for your cooling system and once in the fall for your heating system. A well-maintained HVAC system is not just about comfort. It is about protecting your investment and your family's financial future. For example, a system with a clogged air filter can increase energy consumption by up to 15%, which really adds up over time. Moreover, regular checkups allow technicians to catch issues like low refrigerant levels or electrical faults before they escalate into major breakdowns, often saving you thousands of dollars in emergency repairs and extending the overall life of your unit by years. This proactive approach supports a conservative principle of wise resource stewardship, making the most of what you have. By consistently performing these straightforward maintenance tasks, you are not just caring for a machine. You are investing in your home's efficiency, preserving your financial resources, and ensuring a healthy, comfortable living environment for your family. It is a simple yet powerful way to exercise good stewardship over your household essentials, ensuring they serve you faithfully for many years to come.